Maraming salamat sa ating kapatid. Good morning to everybody, our presiding officer and esteemed colleagues. I stand before this body with a clear and urgent purpose to underscore the intent behind announcing the Provincial Safe Spaces Framework Ordinance. This is not simply another addition to our books or local laws. It is a deliberate step towards shaping a province where unity and safety are non-negotiable in every space we inhabit. The intent of this measure is to translate the mandate into a working provincial framework, one that directs, equips, and empowers every city and municipality to take ownership of spaces in their own communities. My dear colleagues, our intent is not to create a document that gathers dust, but to legislate an operational blueprint, one that will empower the genius, guide enforcement, and protect the vulnerable. And in enacting this, we send a message. Laguna will not only follow the Safe Spaces Act, we will lead in showing it. It is to live out in every corner of our province. Let us move forward with unity in passing this ordinance so that the intent we live here today becomes the lived reality of our people tomorrow. So, mga ordinansa ay tatawagin po natin dito sa Laguna, bawal ang bastos. Maraming salamat.
The Safe Spaces Act is now approved third finally.
Thank you, Secretary Officer, and my dear colleagues.